um, as our model for design. All right, so what you want to do is go to frontendmentor.io, or you could simply open Google and search for Frontend Mentor. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, it takes you to the home page. Right from the home page, you could just click on this button over here, challenges. Okay, so once that is done, right, you wait for the page to load up. All right, so we have a lot of challenges here. You have HTML, CSS, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So many designs you could pick and redesign so that you could sharpen your skills on front-end development. Okay, so I know as my students you want to kick off with something that is easy to begin with, because you need to understand the fundamentals of HTML, the building blocks, and how your code should be properly structured. All right, so what you want to do is go to sort by, click on it. All right, then you have three sort options over here. The first one, most recent, which means the most recent posts. These websites keep updating their designs regularly, so that's the most recent. Or you want to begin with from easier first. You want to view these items from the easier the ones, then you move to the harder, the difficult task. So let's click on difficulty. So you might be wondering why I've been teaching about this div tag, h tag, li tags, and the rest. Now you are going to see these tags come into play, okay, once I begin. So what you want to do is click on the first one. This is the most easiest. All right, and this was recently included to the site. So you click on the button. Let's click on it to see a larger picture of this. I think I have to zoom this a little bit, just to okay, I have to use this is just a graphic, so you cannot zoom it to that point. So this is the page, this is the layout of this page. All right, so you have first, this could be your body, but I'm going to use this to represent a box. This is a div tag. All right, so we have majorly, can I say, 3 boxes here. We have one, which is a square box around this. It's quite invisible, you can't see it. All right, you have to box all your elements. It's important you box them. All right, now your image, this image over here, should sit inside a separate box. So we're going to call this column. This is column 1, and this will be column 2. All right, column 1, column 2. If you are going to create columns, you are going to use div to create columns. So we're going to create a div, the first div, then we're going to create another div, inside it div 1 and div 2. Okay, so both divs are going to sit side by side inside the major div, which is a square box that you can't see here, and that div, my friend, will call the parent div. All right, then when you open your div at the top, you close the div at the bottom. What you want to do is open another div inside the same div, okay, and close it immediately. Then you open another div underneath the first div, not directly inside the first div. You just open it below the first div, which is column 1 div and column 2 div. All right, so let's see what this task has for us. Okay, so close this box. All right, so the beautiful thing about this particular